Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be dealing with a rectangular to round transaction piece from 30 July 2025 question paper. Here's the given scale, 1:10. You have to draw the given view and you develop the pattern of the plate to form the hooper. Open the development on the line marked XX. So here's the question, guys, and now we are about to do it. Okay guys, here is our given view. I have already drawn. So some of you may ask, how did I get this here, this angle here and the circle here? So what I did here, you are given on the question paper that from the center of this line here to here is 38. I just hope that you know how to get that one. So when you're gonna make a point here at 38, after making a point, you're just gonna take your protractor, you come where you mark the 38 like that, and your angle was given as 27. You're gonna come and count 20, 25, 27. You make a mark. After making a mark, you take your ruler from that mark that you made 27 degrees to that point where the 38 ends. You draw a line. So this is gonna be our line here. This is how I found this line here. After doing that, you just take a ruler. You will have this to draw in already. Just take a ruler, going down, you take this corner here, you go down, you go down. Then after you're gonna draw your circle inside this line that you just drawn down now. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying, or maybe I should draw the given view with you guys. For people who know how to draw a given view, who are struggling to draw the pattern here, let me show you how to do the pattern. So as you can see here, how I label this one here. Here is my A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, and here I labeled 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on the circle, and our x-axis here. So here is where it's gonna close, x-axis here. So if you were given that your x-axis is on this side, you're gonna start on this side here, so that we can draw from here until it closes this. Where you see x-axis where it closes. So let's start, guys. So we're starting from point A to B, going to 0 here. So we're gonna draw a line, point A to B. So let's say, you still with me, guys? Let's say here is our A. So you're gonna measure this line here from A to B. You'd have to be 60,5. So just come here. So here is our A. This is gonna be our B. And just bold it. I'm drawing with a pen so that you can see what's going on. So this is our A and B. Now we want to go from A to 0 and B to 0. They are equal. This is equal. Okay, so we're gonna come here. We go from A to 0. Yeah, A to 0, and we come here, A0. See, this is your A0, B0, because of they are equal, as same as this side here. CX, DX, they're equal. This side are equal, guys. You can see that they're equal. So this is how it's gonna be. And remember, here you have your A, B, and here you got your C, D. Here is a circle, so it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 here. So now we're going from A to 0. A0, your 0 is here, so it's going with this line here. This is where you're gonna get your A0 here. You're gonna come here, you make a line and a line. We found our 0, our first 0. Remember, don't forget our 0. This line here goes straight to our 0. So here we have a 0. You get what I'm saying? So don't be confused about that one. Then now we want a, okay, let me do it like this now. A0, B0. Here we're gonna have a B1 and A11. To get a B1, you're gonna come here, B1. You have to come here and mark your B1. Let's say this is B1. It's the same as A11. It's the same. Yeah, B1 and A11, they are the same. Let me check this one. Now I cannot really see. So here what we want now is to take our 1 here where we see the point 1, we take it up, so that, and 2 up. Remember, there is a circle, right? 4 up and 5 up, just like this. Remember, guys, here we have a circle, so here's, it was a 0, here is where we're gonna have our 1, 2, here's our 3, 4 and 5. So this line 0, here's line 1 and 11. So now we are here on line 1 and 11, and we want B1 and B11, which are the same. Okay, let's come here. B1 to that line of 1. It's the second line from the top. It's the second line here. That's our B1. You come here, you make a mark. You make a mark on this side as well. Then you take your 12 equal part. You can come here just like this. You get what I'm saying here? 12 equal part, the spacings. You point on a 0 point, go in here. You come on this side as well, come in here. So here we were wanting a B1 and A11, which is they're the same. Alright. Now what do we want? We want a B2 and A10. So here we want a B2, A10. Okay, let's come here. A10 and B2, they are the same. It should be give you the same. So let's come here, which is exactly the same as B1 and 11. So let me just make it the same here. This thing here, B2 is the same as B1, the same as A11 and A10. So we come in here. Now remember, now we want a B2, A10. So we're gonna come here where we just make our mark, and remember you have to find the number of 2 and 10, the line of 2 and 10 here, 2 and 10. Sorry, that was a call. Let me just do this first. Okay, so here 2 and 10, there is our line. You come here, you go to the line of 2 and there is this line here, B2, you make a line, A10, you make a line. So just like that. You got your A10, B2. Now we want the B3, and A9. How do we find the B3 and A9? We gotta come here, B3, which is the same as A9. You measure here, B3. Okay, this is our B3, which is the same as A9, which is the same as C3, which is the same as D9. These are the same. Do you get what I'm saying? Okay. Now we come. We want the B3, remember. B, which is the line of 3 here. B and 9 and 3, the line of 3 and 9 here is the center. 9 and 3. Okay, let's come here. Where is our line here? So this is our line here. I don't know if you guys can see so well here. You come B3, A9, and you take that distance that I showed you there. You make your mark. You make your mark. Here we have a 3, here we have a 9. Okay, then now we are done with A and B, because of you see that's where it can go. So now we want to move from A to D, from B to C. We're gonna come here. You take this line here, B to C. You come here, where is the point of B? You mark, you mark, and A to D, which is the same as B to C. You come here, you mark. You see? Let's hope my line are long enough. Then now our point 3 and 9 is gonna help us find C and D. Now we're gonna come here, which is C3. C3, we already have a point for C3 here because it's the same as B3. So you're gonna come here and you're gonna go to the center line here. You point here at 9 and you point here at 3. Here you have C, here you have D. Get? So now what we have here is C, where the line meets, and D, just like this. Now we're gonna move on from C to 4C, C4, and D8. C4 and D8. Let's come here. Let's see. C4, which is should be the same as B2. We already have the mark here for B2. These are the same, guys. This should be the same. So we already have a mark here for B2 and C4. Let me just show you. Yeah, C4. You're gonna see that this one, C4. You're gonna see that is the same as this one. You see, the same, exactly the same. So we already have this mark. You just come here. Where is our 4 here? The line for 4 is here. 4, 8. So it's this one here. Here. It's this one here. You come to your C, we want 4. You come to your D, we want 8. Then you come here. It's the spacing, you just take the spacing here. Okay, sorry guys, I'm just trying not to get in the way of the camera. Here we have 4, here we have 8. Now where are we going? We have C4, we have D8. Now we want D7, we want C5. Alright, let's take this C5, which is the same as B2 as well. We're gonna see here, it's gonna give us the same line. See? So it's the same. Okay, we're taking this to the line of 5. Where is the here? 5 and 7. It's the almost the last line, but it's not the last line here. This line here. C5 D7. Okay, let's take this distance here. Right. Here is our 5, here is our 7. Now what we are short of is X. Where's the 6 is an X, so you can call it the 6, but on the question paper they call it the X. So let's take this as an X. Where we close. Now we want X, which is this. We already have A0 there. Where is our A0 here? We got a point for A0 and B0, which is the same as this. This here to here, here to here is the same as here to here, here to here, and it's where we are now. So we're gonna take this. Let me just show you. Dx here, dx. You see, it's the same point that we have here. So let's take this to the point of X. This is our X here. This last line here is our X. So we're gonna go from here to here. There is where you're gonna get your X. Here is where you're gonna get your X. Then let's measure that spacing instead. The spacing have to be the same. Remember, this is a 12 equal part. It's the same here. You can just measure, but there's a calculation also where you need to calculate it first. I'll show you that next time. Here we have our X. Here we have our X. So now we are only left with this X. To get this X, you do it like this. C to X, D to X. You see, C to X and D to X. Okay. Yes, so you're gonna find our X and X. So it's this distance here, dx, cx. It's this distance. So our X point is gonna help us find X, another X. This X point is here on the circle is here, but now we want it here on the rectangle. So how are we gonna do this? We already have let me see here. We already have cx here, this point here. Let me just show you. Okay, xx. we're gonna take from here x, x. See this, the distance here, we're gonna take it like this, from x to x. And you come here, you measure like this, x to x. It's this one. Remember our x line is this, it's the last line, x to x. When you come here, measure your x. Come here and do your x. My line here was short. Let me just make it longer. Yeah. It's gonna be x and x. So this is done. Actually, this is done. We have our what we call rectangular to circle. This is done like this. What you're gonna do here, you're gonna use your tools to draw this line, but me, I'm gonna just do it with a freehand. The main part of this video is to show you how to do these things. This is how you get it done, guys. Remember to mark here that your A helped you to get which point. This one, if you want, because of here the bolded, you can just bold them. Not all of them. Just like that. Yes. And then here we're gonna come here. Okay. Okay. Just about this one. This is how your drawing is gonna be. If you didn't understand, please leave a comment in a section. I will check it and I'll share it with you. Please subscribe on my channel for more videos and follow me. Thank you.